Welcome to Trains Around Scotland from January 2020. Wasting no time, let's get right into the action. Getting straight into the action, this is Greenfaulds on the 18th of January, and first it's 4M43, the 1100 Grangemouth Docks FPA to Daventry boxes with 66,428. Then next was 4M30, the 1131 Grangemouth to Daventry with 66,168. Then this is 5Z25, the 1250 Aberdeen to Polmadie sleeper empties with 73,971. Then moving across the platform, next for 6S36, the 1337 Dalston to Grangemouth tanks with 78,001. Then it's to the day after on the 19th with a lovely sunset. Here came 6K10, 1617 Millerhill to Paisley Gilmour Street ballast job with 66,109 and 101. This is Hillington East. Then this is now the 22nd and it's to Wishaw for OZ88, the 1559 Fort William Junction to Crewe HS with 47,593. This was a route learner for a up and coming tour but would eventually be cancelled due to COVID-19. During 2020, direct rail service continued to operate the PLPR workings throughout most of the year, such as on the 24th when 37,038 and 259 ran 1Q76, 1903 Mossend to Mossend PLPR circuit seen here at Paisley. Then the day after on the 25th we will go to Greenfoot to the PLPR again, but first at 6S36 again, Dalston to Grangemouth with 78,008. Then came the PLPR with 37419 and 259 topping tailing, running 1Q77 Mossend to Inverness. Then finally on the 25th, the 950 would be doing the rounds under 3Q04 Slateford to Falkland SS, seen here at Paisley, Gilmour Street.